Here we are, World Series of Poker. We're on break, so you know, we're just on the slot machines. Is that good? I don't know. Is it good for our poker? Focusing? It may be if we hit this jackpot. $100 in, 250 bets. This is a machine we had some trouble with earlier. Oh yeah. No? But it's showing some good signs on the $20 we just put in, but who knows? That's probably just the technique to get you. Come on, free games. Oh, sorry, free games, I mean cash collect. Oh, okay, free games heard me, but it's not what I wanted. Cash collect. Cash collect. Come on, Mr. Mummy. A grand looks like it was just hit. No? Oh, he was up there. Come on, Mr. Mo Mummy. Do it. Oh. We're trying, people. It's kind of degen doing this during the tournament break. Oh, come on. It's not even that big of one. Some Cleos. This little guy has been showing a lot. It's not even like big ones, so don't you think it should just trigger? Huh. Let's go to 1 cent here. $2.25. $8.75. This machine was really tight a few days ago, or like a week ago. We played on it, you guys saw, I think. Similar situation. World Series of Poker. Oh, come on now. We haven't got a haywire trigger for a long time. He's up there. He's up there again. I mean, no greens are showing up, but... Oh my god, he was up there again. Just did. If he does it again, I mean, he's hiding up there. I don't know. This game knows how to. It's just like such a small little peekaboo, and then it just gets you every time. Just drop in there. At least he passed by this time. Change their bets up. Okay. I haven't played, just thinking about it, what's it called, what are they called? Puff and Even More Puff for a long time. Man, he is up there again. Let's go back to 5 cents where we saw some things kind of go into fruition. I mean, we were getting a lot of gems. We didn't get any kind of bonus. Will any of them come? Okay, 3 more spins. We can do this. Okay, this is when we can do this. See? See how beautiful that was? I planned it. See? Okay, 2 more spins. Let's focus. At least a gem to give us a sweat. Okay, jackpot. And that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with some more fun. Alright friends, we are here for part 2. Double Mo Mummy. Beautiful pair. We were actually on this machine. Beautiful pair at Paris. World Series of Poker. We're on break. It's June 8th. So we are trying to win a jackpot. So we're late to our tournament. And we don't mind it. It's for a good cause, right? We're already in it. We've been playing it for about a few hours, so. we'd partake in some slot activities. Now these machines have been pretty tight. Come on, over here at Paris on the strip. Oh yeah, trigger one of you. Hello? None of you. I don't know why. But you know, we're still battling, trying our best. Put some fun content out, and also for you guys to see how crazy these games can be in Las Vegas. Are they tighter, have you seen, in your local places? I mean, we've done a lot of these videos. And whoops, I only hit that. Oh. Are they, have you seen them, in your experience, coming to Vegas? Are they always tighter here, or where you play usually? Oh yeah, one of you. Well, as I said that would have been perfect. 1, 2, 3. Doing some bed size changes. Okay, they're growing. 2 more. Okay. That was kind of mean. Let's see a rumble. What do you guys say? Let's go to 2 cent, $3. It's kind of been lucky. Let's put in our lucky 115 that we had from that one, and let's get lucky here. $3 bets to start. Come on, one of you. We need some help here. Oh. That would have been nice. Okay, oh my goodness, yeah, that one. Do it. I learned a $30 one to start, right? So I would have greatly enjoyed that. Oh my goodness, he's been peeking. He's been peeking his little head. He's over here now, but we need him there. And then, you know, there he is again. Why is he always up there? Why does he never want to come by? Say hello! He didn't. Doom doom. Boom boom. Nope. We need a rumble feature, people. Come on. That's just so hard to get a bonus on this game. Who said that? I feel like we said that like 100 times. Okay. We don't like you. 2 cents. We're gonna go here. 225. Good old 225. Those are the progressives. Looked like it was gonna do it. One of you. I'm trying to remember, have I done it on a line hit before? Oh goodness. Hello? Is this the kind of action that's gonna be like, and he runs across? Or no? Oh my gosh, she was up there. By the way, it's very crowded. It's Saturday in Vegas afternoon. Like I said, World Series of Poker is here, so it's very, very busy. This is where the World Series of Poker is, in Paris, Horseshoe. So right in the middle of the action. A lot of people on slots, a lot of people playing poker. Keep going. $8 back. We'd like this. Do it. I don't think I've ever gotten on a double pop. I've gotten some crazy stuff, but never gotten like 2 of them and then it pops. Oh my god, do it. Oh, what in the? I'm going to $5. Okay, I'm going back to 250. Oh, almost 5 behind. It looks like this 250 bet wants to do something, but we want it to do something, but it's not doing much except taking a lot of money from us. Okay. Wild. A lot of wilds. Guys, so many greens. some good ones too in there. Just do it, Mr. Mummy. Last spin, best spin. Do it. Or at least there's a chance. There's no chance. Alright, we tried. We're gonna go back. Thanks for watching. We'll try some more. Well, Mummy, you're crazy. People, we are still here. World Series of Poker. It's June 8th. We went on this machine, then this machine, then this machine. This is our third $100, and we've tried our hardest so far. Maybe these breaks at the World Series of Poker are kind of a bad idea. I should stay like right where the poker room is. The World Series of Poker is going on over here, so let me pull up the camera a little bit. Keep going. Oh, 5 of a kind. How much is that? Not enough. We would like exactly even at least, right? Exactly even. Boom. Oh, what was that? Oh, come on. No. Okay, we're gonna go to 5 cent because 5 cent was crazy on that machine. So we're gonna do 5 cent over here. $5 bets. It's on 12.50. No, not yet. Not yet. I'd like to do 12.50 bets. But... Oh, we got jackpot, baby. We got the jackpot feature. The minis at least 50. Okay. All right. At least we got one bonus. It's, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this better than free spins? I don't know. Free spins, we can trigger the cash collect. But yeah, match 3, little buddy. Okay. We're late for our break. No. Okay, where are we going? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. No, that's not fine. Guys, I'm terrified right now. Oh, we got the major! That's the biggest one we've ever gotten. I think we've gotten the maxi for 300 or 400 before. That is the biggest one we got. Guys, my World Series of Poker break has been a success. We were down 100, 100, and then whatever that was, 16 only. But oh my goodness. Now I can go back and play like a genius. I'm trying to win a World Series bracelet. I don't know how smart it is to play slots in between the breaks. But thank you, Mo Mummy. Thank you. All right, we'll be back with some more. Wow, that's a lot of 5 cents. Woo. Thank you, Mo Mummy. We got, actually, literally we're late right now. We have to go back right now. I'll do like one backup. See what kind of madness is in order. Hello? That was amazing. I thought the mini was gonna come. What did you guys think? Oh my goodness. All right, people, I gotta literally go back. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit.